Okay, here's a hot spring. Stinks. Smells like sulfur kinda. It flows all the way down to there. And all this out here. There's a nice little pool right there. The water's real clean, clear. I guess it's full of minerals. It's so hot, not much grows in it. I'm gonna take a current thermometer. See how much of this coming straight out of the ground. Go over here. You gotta stand in the steam for a second. About 160 something degrees, 163. Hot. Touch it with my hand just to see how hot it really is. It's not quite boiling. There's all these salt formations around it. Another pool over here. Ah, it stinks bad. There's another pool. There's all the little formations. It covers a pretty big ass area. I'll go over here. Okay, let's sign off for now. But that's a hot spring boiling out of the ground. There's all the horses and everybody else.